How to fix Grindr ghost notifications with no visible message. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to solve the ghost notifications with no visible messages on Grindr. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're getting ghost notifications on Grindr but with no any type of visible messages, then sometimes you have to understand that it could just be the app that is trying to lure you into their platform. So this is just one of the marketing tactics. They just send a blank notification hoping that you open the app, like saying something like somebody sent a message or a like, but in reality when you go there and they ask you to subscribe to see the like, and when you do that, you're not able to see it because there are no likes in the first place. So it could be one of their marketing tactics, but sometimes we can also label it as a bug. So we cannot come to a full conclusion that it is from their side. It could also just be a bug in your case. So what we're going to do is, first of all, if you're using Android, you want to long press the Grindr app icon and tap on the eye icon to come to your app info page. And when you're here, you want to simply go to the storage tab, and when you go to storage, you can tap on clear cache and clear the data. And once you've done that, what you also want to do is go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Grindr, and just check if the Grindr app is updated to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.